Hey guys, Brian, EGT Solar here. Thanks for visiting us. Idaho, as you know, has amazing sun quality, which has elevated Idaho's solar market to really one of the top growing solar markets in the United States, which is really exciting. I'd like to take a quick minute as Idaho's largest truly local solar company and explain to you guys why EGT should be your trusted source for your next solar project. First, we're fully licensed, which as an electrical contractor, we're able to pull our own permits for our clients. Which means that we have the liability to our clients should anything go wrong with that system. So we don't go and sell a solar project to a client and outsource everything else from that standpoint. Everything we do is in-house with our own employees and no subcontractors, which is very important in the service industry, as you very well know. Number two, we're truly local, as I mentioned before. We keep Idaho's hard-earned money in Idaho. I think that's very important. We truly are a local source with a full showroom of integrated products to truly educate our consumer base on what's out there in the industry and what the best solution is going to be for their particular application. Three, we're sustainable. 9 years in business here in the Valley, no plans to go anywhere. Office locations here in Meridian and Twin Falls, serving the better part of the entire southern Idaho district. With 5-star ratings on every media platform and a BBBA plus rating, which is really hard to do, as you know, in a service industry. So we work very hard to make sure that our clients have the most impeccable solar experience possible. Four, education-based sales is we are not the slimy door-to-door sales guys. We're really trying to educate consumers on what's out there in the market to make sure we get this right. We don't discount the fact that solar is an expensive endeavor as you're buying your next 25 years worth of power. So we want to make sure that you fully understand every facet of the project that you're actually going to end up installing. Five, tons of zero down financing options, which gives, can kind of meet any family's financial situation. If we can get the power bill and the financing payment very similar, there's not many households that once they're educated properly are not going to convert over to solar. We also offer discounts to senior citizens, military veterans, being a veteran-owned company as we are, teachers, public servants. So we really try and take care of the people that take care of us in our local community. And then six is more of an accolade, but we've been able, as an Idaho-based company, the only one to ever make the top 500 solar contractors in the United States list the last 3 years in a row, which is a huge accolade within our industry. So I appreciate you letting me have a little bit of your time here today. Feel free to click the link below or just give us a phone call and set up your free solar site visit and so we can start saving you money.